And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 212. Let me show you the ink outlines photo filter. You can find it under filter, filter gallery. It's in the folder for brush strokes, right in center. You can find it alphabetically sorted right here. Let's go over the three parameters. We have the stroke length from 0 to 50. It controls the length of the ink lines. So the higher you go, the longer these strokes will get. Keep also in mind, it's going to take more processing time if you go up. If you want to have a typical comic effect, just stick to a low value. I would even go to 1 here, the lowest. And then you have dark and light intensity. This controls how dark and intense the ink lines appear. And obviously, the higher you go with dark, the darker it gets. The higher you go with light, the brighter it gets. And you can see this creates a little bit of an illusion of a comic effect. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.